See, in question number 3, classes are given to us 11 to 13, 13 to 15, 15 to 17, and FI are given 7, 6, 9, 13, F and 5 and 4. And mean is given as 18. Mean is already given, which is equal to 18. Okay, so we should find frequency F here. Now first we will find class mark. So class mark of each of the class, C only 11 and 13. So middle number will be 12 only, isn't it? Or by using formula also you can find. Or by using the trick, means 13 minus 11 is 2. 2 by 2 is 1. So this 1 you can add in each of the lower limit to get class mark. 11 plus 1 12, 13 plus 1 14, 16, 18, 20, 22 and 24. Okay. Now since values are small and smaller than 30, it's not as big. So we can use assume mean method. What is that method? Assume mean method is, formula of mean by using this method is A, that is assume mean, plus sigma Fi di divided by sigma Fi. Okay, so this is the formula using assume mean method. So that means we should find di first. So for di is what? Xi minus A. So remember here, first you should assume A. So A will be, suppose how many observations are there? 7 observations are there. So fourth value you can suppose as A. So in front of this A, di value will be definitely 0, because Xi is also 18 and A is also 18. So 18 minus 18, 0. Now 16 minus 18 means minus 2. 14 minus 18 means minus 4. 12 minus 18 means minus 6. So here minus 2 minus 4 minus 6 will come. So plus 2 plus 4 plus 6 will come. Because here see, in class mark 2 difference is there. So will be in di. Now we will find Fi di. So Fi di will be, you should multiply these two columns. So minus 42 will come, 24, 13 into 0, 0, 2 into F, 2F, 20 and 24. Okay, and here you should add 1. Total column. Okay, and here also sigma Fi, because this Fi is also not given. So we will add 1 column here. One row we will add here, total. For this we should find total. So it will be 22, 35, 40, 44 plus F. Okay, and this will be, see, 24 minus 24 will go, 20 minus 18 means 2, minus 42 plus 2 means minus 40, plus this will come 2F. Now we will apply formula. Mean is 8 plus sigma Fi di divided by sigma Fi. Now x bar is given as 18. It is already given in question. A we have assumed as 18, plus Fi di means this value, minus 40 plus 2F, divide by sigma Fi means 44 plus F. Now 18 will go this side, so we'll get 0 here. So we'll be left with only minus 40 plus 2F divided by 44 plus F. Now this value also we can shift here, multiplied with 0 means 0 is equal to minus 40 plus 2F. That means we can write 2F is equal to 40. That will give F is equal to 20. So what is the unknown frequency here? 20.